After launching WhatsApp, Reliance Jio has finally started rolling out the YouTube app for JioPhone and JioPhone 2. And in this video, we are going to take a first look of YouTube on the JioPhone. So let's get started. To download the YouTube app, make sure that your phone is running the latest version of KaiOS. To check that, go to Settings and from under the Device tab, tap on Software Update. Once your phone is updated to the latest firmware, just head over to JioStore in the menu and look for YouTube app under the Entertainment tab. Tap on it and hit Install. Once done, open the app. First up, right on the home screen, you will see three tabs up top: Home, Trending and Account. By clicking on the Account tab, you can sign into your Google account to get personalized results under the Home tab. Additionally, you will also notice that the Subscription tab now appears on the home screen. Navigating around the app is done with the help of the on-screen cursor using the D-pad. This can get a little annoying if you are used to using the app on a touchscreen device. While watching a video, the volume can be controlled using the 1 and 3 keys. The interface here is similar to what you see on Android and iOS devices, it's just that the screen on the JioPhone is quite small. However, you do get the option to play videos in full screen mode that moves the screen orientation from portrait to landscape. You also get the option to share your favorite videos on Facebook, Twitter and Google+. Notably, advanced features such as dark mode or the incognito mode aren't available here. The app also doesn't have an option to download videos for offline viewing. It is worth noting that the overall experience of using YouTube via a dedicated app is identical to how YouTube site works on the browser app. So that was our first look at the YouTube app for JioPhone. Thanks for watching the video, and for all things tech, log on to gadgets360.com.